Hey, boss. Welcome to the Wealthy Family Network. This is the space I built for ambitious women and high earning parents who want more than just making good money. You want to actually build wealth. And by that, I mean real wealth, the kind that gives you freedom, the kind that lasts. If you're the kind of woman who knows you should be further along financially, even though you're doing everything right, working hard, earning well, but still feeling like something is missing, then you are in the right place. See, I built this community because I couldn't find a place where people were actually learning how to build wealth, not just talking about it. I'm talking about real strategies. That's what I was looking for. I wanted real strategies, real conversations about money, real support. So that's exactly what I built. Most people don't build wealth because nobody never teaches them how. And let's be real, asking feels uncomfortable. There's embarrassment, confusion, the fear of looking like you don't know anything. But this space is different. Inside Wealthy Family Network, we host live trainings, coaching calls, strategy sessions, on demand help every day, every month.
So you're not left here trying to figure it out on your own. You're not guessing. You're not chat GPT in it. You're not Googling your future. And you're not doing this by yourself. Now, I don't teach motivation.
I teach money strategy. I teach you how to clean up your finances, use credit the right way, remove debt strategically, position yourself for real estate, and build income and wealth that actually grows. I've watched members lower their monthly debt, improve their credit, access real funding, move into their first properties, and start generating rental income. And
And
I
I don't
don't
care where you
care
start.
where you're starting from. What matters the most is that you start. This isn't about being perfect. This is about finally having a plan and a place to grow into the life you.
You've been working so hard for.
Inside, you'll learn how to use your income differently, make smarter money moves, stop living paycheck to paycheck, and move in a way that allows for you to qualify
For investments with confidence.
and build long term income and wealth through real estate.
So if what I've shared with you sounds like what you've been looking for,
Then get your butt inside. Come on. You can join the Wealthy Family Network for free and start moving your money differently and in a right way.
and if you decide you want more structure, more clarity, and a real plan built around you and your lifestyle, you can upgrade whenever you're ready. I'd genuinely love to have you here, and I can't wait to see what you build.